Hello, my MVP. Today I coming con all the video. Today I decided, guys, because today I got tostones, Puerto Rican tostones, and tostones, and cilantro, y I got shrimp, butter, cilantro, and oil, and Chepin eating show. Look at that, guys. I decided right now. Look at that. Oh my God, I can't believe it. And I got in this cup, I got oil, butter, garlic, and cilantro. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that, guy. Mm-mm. Look at that. And ring. Somebody ring. You know? Right now, look at that. Look at that guy. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. It's some good guy. Look at that. Look at that. At the best place I eat. Look at that. Tostones, Puerto Rican tostones, cilantro, and shrimp, and butter, and garlic butter, and cilantro, and oil. Look at that. Look at that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It's so good. And Chepin eat your water, my MVP. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. I can't believe it, guys, because this year, 2019, I come in better New Year and New Year. You know, better. I make a different video, and see you like my video, please you give me one like and one subscriber. You know, Chepin Iricho, and God bless everybody and Happy New Year. And right now, I enjoy this play. Look at that. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Look at that guy. Beautiful play. Look at that string. Look at that. It's so good. Mm, mm. And Chepin, it is so wow, so MVP. Chepin, it is so. And right now I decided, guys, because I make all the video, I decided. I can't believe it, guys. Look at beautiful play. Tostones, Puerto Rican tostones, and string, and butter, and oil, and cilantro. Look at that guy. I can't believe it. Mm-mm. 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 Mm. Mm-mm. I decided, guys, because I enjoy this moment I enjoy this moment and nobody me. But I enjoy nobody. I don't want nobody bother me. Enjoy my play. I kill it right now for this play and I enjoy. You know, look at that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Si you like this video, please remember in Chepin it show you give it one subscribe and one like and God bless everybody and Happy New Year. Chepin it show was all my MVP. You know, right now I decided because I enjoy for myself, I enjoy the moment and you know and this year more video, you know. Every day I make it better and better and better and Happy New Year and God bless everybody guys. I decided right now and I enjoy this moment con this play. You know, I don't want nobody bother me but because I enjoy this play, I fight it for this play, you know, and God bless and Happy New Year and Chepin Show was all my MVP.